So, you've seen ads for ROSOPL dentures, promising perfect teeth you can customize at home. Before you pull out your credit card, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because this review might just save your money and your smile. ROSOPL, or Rospol dentures, claim to be revolutionary GelFit dentures that fit perfectly without glue, stay in place all day, and even protect your jawbone. They promise you can mold them at home like some kind of DIY dental miracle. Sounds amazing, right? Like having a dentist in a box, except the dentist is missing and the box is suspicious. Here's where things get sketchy. These dentures are sold exclusively through random websites with names that sound like someone smashed their keyboard. SmileFit Dental, WizGoo, Hydone, EcoSmark. Notice what's missing? Amazon, Walmart, or any legitimate retailer. That's not a marketing strategy. That's a red flag doing backflips. The websites are filled with glowing testimonials that all sound eerily similar, like they were written by the same overly enthusiastic robot. Multiple investigations found that customer reviews appear fake, with stock photos reused across different products. It's like seeing the same actor play every character in a movie. Eventually, you notice. ROSOPL claims their dentures use bionic adsorption technology and can regenerate bone through mechanical stimulation. That's not dental science. That's science fiction. Real dentures require professional fitting, impressions, and adjustments. You can't microwave your way to perfect teeth. Professional dentists warn that improperly fitted dentures can damage your gums, cause infections, and worsen jaw problems. The promise of customizable at-home fitting is essentially asking you to be your own dentist, which is like performing your own surgery because you watched Grey's Anatomy. Red flags checklist: no major retailer presence, suspiciously perfect reviews, outrageous medical claims, and prices that seem too good for custom dental work. Bottom line? Skip ROSOPL. Visit an actual dentist. Your mouth deserves professional care, not a sketchy online gamble. Real dentures cost more because they're made by professionals who know what they're doing. Stay smart.